Think math.
Two differently shaped bowls hold some water. Which one has more? Bowl A is narrow, so its water rises up high, and bowl B is wide, so its water lies down low. By height alone, bowl A looks like it has more. But when the shapes are different, you can't compare by water height. So let's pour each one into the same measuring cups. Pour the water from each bowl into the same measuring cups, one by one, and count. The narrow bowl A makes 3 cups, and the wide bowl B makes 5 cups. So bowl B, whose water lay down low, actually has more than bowl A, whose water rose up high. The one with more cups, B, is really the bowl with more water. So no matter how different the shapes are, if you pour into the same cups and count, you can compare the amounts. The one that makes more cups has more water. No matter the shape, pour into the same cups and count to compare the amount. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.